So it's been about a month and a half. I've been sick pretty much this whole time, so I haven't been able to work on anything. Got my method injection done on my RX-7. I didn't get that videoed though, so that's kind of a problem. But I think today we're gonna try to get the radiator in and hopefully the mounts in without having to mess with the ABS pump, because it's looking like a tight fit. And I got Jeremy to help me, so that's cool. Filler welds, nothing special about it.
The fuck?
Okay.
Whoops.
It's probably gonna be hot too. Hey, we can get to that one.
Yeah.
I'll lube me up.
I'll lube. I feel like that'd be more smoke.
That's a chassis.
Well, you got to that one.
There's like nothing there.
Yeah, that's
It
weird.
looks like a solid hole.
Huh. So you really should have me paint on camera. You should just give it to me and I'll just... Because that was just a whole lot of help up.
Nothing. Cool.
That's literally...
That is tough. It's still under, isn't it?
Yeah.
You what, mate?
You what, mate?
Well, hit me with some lube.
I would love to.
Lube me up, baby. Oh, dude, money.
Money? Hold on, hey, let me film.
Is it filming?
I was gonna say, let me film it.
Dude, that just went right through it. Like, no problem. See that?
I need to get it stuck.
No.
Well, hey, let's see if we can bend it out a little bit then.
Could work on the bottom one.
Oh my god!
I love air tools.
This is genius.
Step one, use your safety glasses.
Step 2, ear protection.
Hammer.
Step 4, hammer.
Jesus.
Just get her all wedged in there.
Almost. Oh, there we go.
Do you have more ear protection laying around, sir?
This is so much fun.
Do you have more of those laying around? Do you have more of those laying around?
We should somewhere.
That's a good question. Oh, I see.
Her done. Let's try this one. Oh man, that just like stabbed a hole in my face.
Oh.
Good thing I'm gonna paint it. Oh, that's right. Still got to drill out that other one. Or two, actually. I wonder if there's a nicer way to doing this.
It's a good question.
It's almost there.
It's getting there.
I think I have to use a hand chisel now, though.
Don't have my ears on, but that's okay.
Yeah.
Who needs them?
Rip.
R.I.P. my ears.
Ready?
Yeah. Oh, snap.
Give it here. Give it up, man. There's one more little wrap. That's all it needs. Just a little baby one.
Yay! Yahtzee.
And now my frame rail's screwed up.
Sweet.
Oh my god.
It's okay. Shit'll buff out.
It is tragic.
Oh, shit'll buff out.
This is the part where we make a tube frame.
Yep.
We didn't have to remove my ABS.
Yeah, well.
There's a lot of grinding and paintwork to be done now.
Yeah. Well, you have ears on and I don't.
Yeah, sorry. It was going. Dude, money.
Are we through?
I just needed 10 mil.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Or 12.
Yeah, that is strange. We're really finding some of the oddest things when it comes to this car that they didn't do from factory. Well, that's going in the trash can, I guess. You want to save the bolt for whatever reason? Or not?
No, there's no sense. Now, with any luck.
Weight reduction.
Yes. As I put on this heavy bracket. Okay.
Right there. Here you go. Tits McGee.
Which one is it? It goes somewhere here.
Definitely has to be these right here. That's strange though, they don't quite line up. I'll have to make new holes. What's new?
Yeah, you gotta drill it out anyways.
That's already 1 o'clock. Wish my paint wasn't so terrible. Yeah, me too.
I'm not really proud of what I done, but Engine Bay had some marks on the frame rail, so may or may not have started to paint. There's a lot of runs in it, but I'll sand it down anyways. But then it'll be rust free and won't look as bad. And the brackets that I had to grind off for the radiator are pretty much shot, so I'll have to buy new ones, which isn't too bad, but this is gonna need a lot of grinding, and I'll probably respray this too. It's a lot more than I anticipated. Got my AEM gauge mounted. Pretty happy with the position, how it ended up. So over there, been kind of sanding away at the leftover tar and stuff. Jeremy did a little section. This stuff is still untouched, so I've got a lot of floor preparation to go before I even start thinking about painting. Not looking forward to it. It's a big project. There's way more involved than I thought it would be. With it being Christmas weekend, there's not a lot more I can do. I gotta go to dinner and shower and be a decent human being. Probably won't be able to work on the car till next year. See you guys next time.